Hi everyone, this is Norma Guara from Savvy Solutions for the Female Bizpreneur. I'm giving you a little heads up this morning on my new branding. I've been working on my website and changing a few things around, making things more clear. And I'm giving you a fresh new peek today, so I hope you like it. And there's more to be coming out soon. We're going to go straight to the WordPress dashboard. This is what I'm going to be teaching you today and for the month of February, how to navigate your dashboard in your WordPress website. There are quite a few things to look at and some can be confusing, but it's really not that hard once that you know how to do it. When you hit the dashboard button in your back office, you can see a lot of different things. I have a plugin here that shows me where there are broken links, so this is something that I need to pay attention to. If you're interested in knowing about that plugin, just let me know. And here's just a quick look at the activity that's been going on my site, so you can see that there are some comments. This one I need to approve. Can do it right from here. And this one too. That's fine. Okay. We're going to go straight to updates. I'm going to leave analytics for the end because that's quite a bit of a learning curve right in itself. So I'll do a video just on that one. So for today, we'll start with updates. So I'm going to click in here to see what's happening. Excuse me. WordPress update is fine. My plugins are all up to date. One theme needs to be updated. You always have one theme that is active on your website, and it's a good idea to have a second one so you can switch to when you're doing upgrades or all kinds of stuff. So this is I never use this theme. It's just there for a backup if something happens. So I'm just going to go ahead and update this theme. It's a good thing to have your updates always done because it can be something that would give you not spam is not the word. I can't think of the word right now, but it can give you like things that you don't want to happen on your website. So always keep your plugins and themes and everything updated. So this is done. There you go. So this is the theme that I use, the About a theme, and that one is active. So I see that I've got a couple here. Some people have a ton. You don't really need them. It's just like for a backup stage. The way my upgrade works for the About a theme, when I want to update it, I need to switch to one of these themes and delete my theme and reinstall it again. But all teams are different. They don't all work the same way for updates, so yours might be different. So that's the reason mainly why I have these backup teams in here. So enough about that. We're going to go straight to post, and there's quite a few things that you need to learn about posting your articles on your blog. So we're going to start this, and it's probably the only thing we'll wrap up for today because it's quite long. So I'm just going to open up my latest blog post. I think I've not done everything on it yet. Uh, First thing you do when you want to create a blog post, there needs to be a title for your article. Some people like to write the title before, some people will write it after. Whatever works for you, whatever inspires you the best way, it's up to you how you want to do it. Uh, what I do is actually go and I use uh, an application. I'm just going to open it up and show you. It's a site called Advanced Marketing Institute, I think it is. Just a second, I'm going to bring you over there. Here we are. And it's a headline analyzer. So I like to use this because it gives me an idea if I'm on target for my titles. Um, I'm just going to bring my post title in here so you can see what I came up with for this one here. And we'll post that in here. And it doesn't matter really what category you choose, they all do the same thing. So submit for analysis. This one is a 50% score value. I really had a hard time coming up with even the 50%. So sometimes you will get, I try to get at least 50% and more. Sometimes I can even get, one time I got 100%. So it depends what the keywords you're going to be using uh, and what value there is for search in here. So let's pretend that I just put this part, this section here. Let's see what that does. See, this lowers my score to 42.86. Your ideal client is, I'll just take already out to give you an idea what this does. It lowered it to 33%, which is quite a drop. So you can have fun playing with this thing. Your ideal client is already. I'll just type it back in. Ready on Facebook. And instead of your, I'll just use the word my to see how that changes it. 42.86. And what was my first? So the first word was truth. And that bar, let's see what I get. So I get a 50% score. It didn't matter if I put my or your ideal client. So this tool is really valuable. If you get into the habit of using it, you will see a great improvement in your titles. But always make sure that they make sense. It's better for them to make sense than have a high value score. So just wanted to show you this thing. It's called AMINSTITUTE.com. So I'll just copy the link, put it in here so you can see it. There you go. That's the link. You can pause the video and write it down. Okay? Once you've got your title, you come and paste it here in the title section for your post. And what I do is I copy that title and use it for my URL. To your ideal client is already on Facebook. So I paste it in here. So these two are the same words. And I come into my post and paste it in here again. This is for my title, and make sure that the heading is either number 1 or number 2. This is all for search engine value and how they read your content, so it's important to have that filled out. Then I come down lower. And if you don't have the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin, I recommend that you do get it. It's fabulous for SEO. Then you come in here and your focus keyword, you paste your title here again, and then it automatically puts it in here. You can change it if you want. I just keep it the same. Meta description, you put it again in here. Meta keywords, I'll put it in here. When you add your meta descriptions, it's really important to have all your words with the first letter capitalized. That's how engines read your stuff. And I haven't finished putting in my meta descriptions here, so let's see. What could I use? So I can search for clients on Facebook. Let's see. Whatever you write in your meta description, you can see that it populates up here. This is the portion that people will see on Google Plus when they Google for words that are in your title. So when you write each section of your meta description, you need to have at least one word that is in your title in there. So let's see what else. About Facebook. There. And you can use it all up. I've got 41 characters left, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Once I've done this, I copy it and go right to the right here, where my tags are, right in here, and paste that here and add. And you can see that it added my tags. It all separated them because of my comma that I used in there. And they're all in here, and this is used for search engines also. You need to come also to your categories and have category names. The reason for having the categories is that if people are searching, let's say, for blogging, well, whatever I've got into the blogging section is going to pop up either on my site if they're searching there, or if they're searching on Google. So I always put every post into all blog posts, and then in whatever category, can be one or two other categories that they fit in. Now, if people went into the front of my blog and they go to this section here and search for anything on blogging, let's try it out. Hopefully my blog posts are coming up. Yes, anything that's in the category of blogging is going to pop up, and they can search my site for all the topics that I have on blogging. So it's quite important to have this information on your site. I've just shown you quickly how to fill in the WordPress SEO plugin. And I will be giving you a full PDF in the group on SEO. So this is quite a nice little gift that I'm giving you, because I'm actually selling that program for $150. So, and you're going to be getting it for free. So I think you'll be quite excited about it, and it's all with photos and text and really explain to detail what you need to do for SEO. If we go back to the blog post, it's really important also that you write your blog post with paragraphs, lists, bullet points, numbers, uh, headings, subheadings, all kinds of stuff. Everything that you add in here really makes your article more readable, keeps the person writing that's reading it interested in your content. I like to put a picture of myself on each blog post because I want to be relatable to my readers. And I've just added this little graphic in here. Tell me what you think. Put your comments below. I like to put a couple, 2, 3, 4, 5 links at the bottom here of other blog posts that they might like. There are different ways of doing it. For now, this is what I'm doing, but I know that I'm going to be changing the way it shows up. And that's pretty much it for your blog article. I'm just going through it to make sure I didn't forget something. Oh, yes. Okay, your graphic. When you add a graphic to your blog post, I want you to fill out the SEO portion of it too. Let's just go find it another way. Here it is. So your blog title, I recommend that you post that again in the title of your graphic. So if people are using one of the keywords that are in your title, it will bring up your graphic or it will bring up your blog post. And you put it also in the alt text in the description. And then that's it. Your graphic is all ready for your SEO. Now, we're going to go back to the dashboard here. This is where you add a new post, and then you've got categories. So let's go in here. Categories are important also. These are the categories that I told you that you need to add your blog article to. So I told you that I put everything first into all blog posts, and then you've got other ones. So I see that I've done most of them, but there's some of them that are not complete. So I'm going to go to blogging. Now this is the SEO on your category. So your name, the name of the category is blogging, and that's the slug word. It's not under a parent description, so I'll just write blogging for information. Hmm. You can put how many you want in here, it's up to you. Then go back to finish the rest. SEO title, we have to choose blogging. Not complicated once you know how to do it. Just to go in and fill the sections out. Meta keywords. Meta keywords. I'll just post this one here. Just Add blogging in here. You only do fill in this information once for each category and then it stays there. So that's it. I don't fill out these portions here because I don't use that. So that's it for the category. Update it. And now you can see that it's been filled out. If you want to add a new one, you can do it in here and fill the information out. Tags. It's the same thing for tags. You've seen this on some websites. This is where all your meta tags and stuff show up on your site. And these are words that will be searched for to find what the content is on your site. I'm going to leave you with just this information for today because it might be a lot for some of you. I'll be posting the PDF so you can follow the information for your SEO on in there. And we'll continue on the next video down starting from the media and go on down. So I hope you found something that you didn't know and that you're going to be applying what you've learned because it's really, really, really important for your blog to have these things down pat. This is the language that SEO search engines use to read your content, so it's really important that you have this stuff filled out. Till next time, have a great day. Bye bye.